Oh my god, yo, the Baltic Blue band took forever to arrive. But ladies and gentlemen, Apple Watch band lovers from around the world, it's time. This is the band review I was the most excited for, and well, here it finally is. And by the looks of it, it looks like you guys are really excited for this one as well. I know a lot of you guys had DM'd me asking me to release this video already, and truth be told, like I said, it's all Baltic Blue's fault. Yeah, that's right. For some reason, Baltic Blue is extremely backordered, I guess, as of October 2020, and then FedEx popped a FedEx, and overnight delivery all of a sudden turned into a 5-day ordeal. Rumors and leaks of this band had surfaced almost half a year prior to its release, and to be completely honest, I baby barfed when I saw the leaks. I thought they looked hideous, but I quickly changed my mind about them, and you're about to see why. I really hope this video helps you decide whether this all new style is right for you or not, so without further ado, let's get the show on the road. So the unboxing really isn't any different from any other style band. It's your typical white Apple box, and I mean, I'm just really gonna fast forward this because it literally is no different, but I mean, the instructions do tell you how to put it on, and I guess they do differ from band to band, so if you find that useful, there it is. By the way, has anyone noticed that of the 3 newly released band types, this is the only one of the 3 without needing that finicky sizing tool? That's right, the decision here is a lot easier since the all-new leatherlink style, similar to the leather loop, comes in one of 2 sizes. There is a small medium and a medium large to accommodate different wrist sizes. However, unlike the leather loop, it's available in both the 40mm and bigger 44mm sizings, and I'm sure the 38 and 40mm Apple Watch users are thankful. Its cousin, the leather loop, is only available for the larger 45mm, and it's a bummer for those who have the smaller watch face. The more variety in Apple Watch options and choices, the better, am I right? It's all fun and games though until you notice that price tag and it makes you go, what the fuck? $100? Or in terms of basic tier Netflix subscriptions, we're talking 11 months of Netflix membership paid for, my guy. Which one would you rather pick? But in all seriousness, this is right in line with Apple's premium pricing for their more upscale watch band offerings. Other more expensive and therefore more premium style bands include the leather link's older cousin, the leather loop line, as well as the Milanese loop and the all new braided solo loops, all coming in at $99. While some Apple haters will be quick to say $100 for such a minuscule amount of leather, are you insane? And to those people I say, true, you got a point. I know I'm not the only person weary of spending $100 per Apple Watch band. I mean, you can get a whole Apple Pencil with that, and nearly is enough to get you some AirPods too. But you know I like being straight up with you guys, and yes, $100 is a lot to pay for a watch band. However, if you can comfortably afford it or are willing to take a risk on this all new style, I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. It's just my opinion, but yo, this all new leatherlink style is so refreshing and looks exceptionally clean and professional when you need it to, but also passes for a semi-chill band that you can rock even while cracking some cold ones with the boys. You already know the vibes. The band consists of 2 pieces, and as you can see, there is a metal insert, but it is always hidden away when attached on the Apple Watch. This is great in my opinion, since having 100% metal inserts just makes matching the bands and casing material a lot harder. You'll notice this all new leatherlink style has absolutely no buckles, no loop system like on the leather loop, just a nice, clean, and consistent look. This look is achieved through powerful flexible molded magnets that allow the 2 pieces of the band to attach magnetically, and the magnets within flex ever so slightly to help maintain a secure and comfortable fit all throughout the day. You'll notice this all new style debuted with 4 colors, 2 being classics and 2 other fun colors that really add some character to your fit. As you can see across all 4 colors, the back part of the band, the part that is always hidden when having it on the wrist, is our iconic saddle brown looking color, except near the inserts where it attaches to your Apple Watch band. That little colored piece at the end will match the same color as on the front and looks really clean when inserted since that metal insert is always hidden. When looking at it from the underside, we see natural leather, indicating this isn't any faux leather. Nah, this is the real deal. As a matter of fact, the leatherlink features handcrafted raw Granada leather hailing from France. So while you don't get a ton of leather, the thin layer we do get is at least of pretty good quality. We do also see our watch sizing. In my case, these are all small mediums, and on the other end we can see for what watch size this band is for. The individual links bulge out and makes for a very unique looking band that at first glance doesn't appear to be first party. Looks can be very deceiving. The magnets are extremely strong and snug, and doubt you should have any troubles with your leather link becoming undone throughout the day. Being consisted of several strong and flexible magnets does create a decent amount of heft to the band, but it's not anything extreme or anything you'll actually ever notice. And if you do, you should probably hit the gym, dude. As a matter of fact, I prefer the slight heft the band carries, as it gives an overall impression of it being more luxurious and more premium as compared to something like the solo loop. The magnets bulging out can sometimes create shadows in the grooves when the sunlight hits it just right and makes your wrist look like mini light machine gun ammo wrapped in leather. I swear, the look is extremely unique. I don't know of any other way of putting this. I mean, imagine a product red version of this band style. Yo, how dope would that look? And then matching it with the product red series 6. Hold up, my wallet is shaking and crying already. I think I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's instead focus on the colors we do have and currently can pick up, starting with the classic. That's right, it's your boy Saddle Brown. Saddle Brown, you back on the leather link style, huh? Truth be told, there's something about this color that holds a special place in my heart. The brown here isn't that ultra dark brown that ends up looking like red clay from the Appalachian Mountains. Instead, Saddle Brown is a very rich yet calming and soothing brown that is iconic. You think of fresh leather and you think of this color, it's almost like you can even smell it. By the way, does anyone else smell their leather bands when they're brand new? Is it just me? I hope not. I think if you're wanting to buy any leather watch band for the first time, specifically the leather link, you really can't go wrong with Saddle Brown. And best yet, the neutral look the color provides enables you to rock this with basically any watching case material and color. I honestly think it looks best on the silver titanium model, but hey, that's just me. This is the same Saddle Brown found on literally any other leather Apple accessory, including the leather loop style and other accessories like Apple's official MacBook Pro leather sleeves. Really can't go wrong with a classic, and speaking of, we have the other classic pairing. Black, of course, being the other staple color found on most leather products. I remember as a kid getting my first leather wallet at Georgia's biggest flea market, and it was between black or brown. I ended up going for brown and cried later on because it was starting to weather and essentially underwent the patina effect. You gotta understand, 7-year-old me didn't know the properties of leather and how it gradually darkens over time. I really thought it looked like trash after a while. The patina effect is most noticeable on the Saddle Brown leather and least noticeable on black leather. Some people aren't a fan of the patina effect and prefer leather to be as fresh and pristine looking as possible, and if that's the case, black is definitely for you. This black leather looks sleek as hell and has this thin sheen when hit by the sun just right that is unmatched because of those grooves in between the magnets, creating a very cool look. Not a surprise, I think this color looks especially clean on the all-new Graphite Series 6, but the advantage with black is that it not only matches up well with any casing size and material, but easily matches with your fit too. It's black, it's literally gonna go with anything. Up next is my favorite of all the colors, California Poppy, and this was a close one. I love some of these names, I swear. California Poppy, named after the plant native to the United States and Mexico. The color sets to immediately pass a vibe check. Not only that, but it also punches you in the gut with some energy and pop. How can you miss this band? It's nice and bright, but not too bright. The yellow is a very rich mustard color and it's very eye-catching, especially on leather. The only downside about these kinds of colors on leather is that they typically undergo the patina process faster, and to some, the patina effect on brighter colors tend to make the leather look dirty and grimy to some. To others, the patina is a reminder of the journey your leather band has endured with you throughout the countless endeavors and adventures. I'm a huge fan of this bright and energetic color. The band type is already pretty unique, and now adding this unique color to it makes it 2 times unique, technically 4 times unique, because you have to add that 2 times multiplier when discussing bright, eye-catching colors. And lastly, we have Baltic Blue, the color I was desperately waiting for to arrive so I can finally release this video. So we have Baltic Blue to blame for this video coming out later than the others, but all is forgiven, Baltic Blue, it's okay, I got your back, only due to the fact that this color is really gnarly. The website shows it as being much darker, but in sunlight it's actually this very, very interesting blue. In dark lit scenarios, it's this very dark and rich blue leather with a hint of turquoise, and under direct sunlight sometimes looks like it might also have maybe like a 1% pine green thrown in as well. This band essentially is the opposite of the colorful and radiant vibe California poppy sets out to achieve, and instead sets a calmer and stealthier kind of vibe. It's similar to black under very low lighting conditions, but is easily distinguished from afar as a very complementary dark blue leather that goes extremely well with most dark casing materials. One combination I particularly am a huge fan of is this Baltic Blue with the all new gold stainless steel. It will literally make you feel like a king or queen, I promise you. There you have it, guys, all 4 colors for the all new leather link style. If I had to choose between this or the leather loop, I'd probably go with the all new leather link. Reason being is the simplicity of the band. Having no loop, the band design ends up looking a lot cleaner. The cleaner look provides a more sophisticated approach to your outfit while also being suitable for most casual situations. The leather is just your typical Apple leather we are all accustomed to. Very well made and of superior quality. And the magnets found inside are super powerful without creating too much unnecessary heft, and provides a very comfy fit. I think for $99, this product is reasonably priced. It definitely makes your Apple Watch setup appear way more formal as compared to something like the Nike Sport. As with all leather though, the natural leather is prone to accelerated weathering due to water and sweat and oils like the natural oils found in your skin, and also due to the weather. So that being said, I personally would not take this band to the gym, just like I wouldn't take any other leather band, like say for example the leather loops. Just not an ideal band for that kind of situation. But I want to know what you guys think. I think the look is very clean and unique, but I do understand that some people find it the most hideous looking style available. I'm a big fan, but wouldn't say it's my all-time favorite style, but that could change with the coming months as I spend more time with these on and as Apple releases brand new exciting colors. I can't wait to see what new colors Apple will add to this line, but you better believe they will all be reviewed on my channel, so make sure to subscribe to my channel with bell notifications for more Apple Watch band content, as well as other reviews, unboxings, comparisons, and so much more. It's been a pleasure showcasing and telling you guys all about the new bands. If you found this video useful, please consider giving me a like, and if you want a very easy way to watch my other videos on all the other brand new bands released for fall 2020, just click the card at the top right for my playlist covering all 48 new bands. That's been it for me, but man oh man, do we have a busy month ahead of us with the release of the all new iPhone 12 lineup, HomePod Mini, and all the new cool accessories that go along with the new phones. Until next time guys, be safe, and I cannot wait to catch you all in my next video.